Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate a save file on Schedule 1. First, navigate to the directory where your Schedule 1 files are stored. This is usually within your tax software's data folder. Identifying the correct file is crucial, so look for a clear naming convention. Duplicating these files helps maintain original records while allowing for modifications or testing different scenarios without risk. It's a simple yet powerful organizational technique. Once you've located your Schedule 1 file, right-click on it and select Copy from the context menu. Next, decide where you want to store the duplicate. This could be a separate folder for backups or a new subfolder for different versions. Navigate to that new location, right-click in an empty area and choose Paste. You now have an exact copy of your original file, ready for further use. After pasting, it's vital to rename your new file. Right-click the copied file, select Rename, and give it a descriptive name like Schedule 1 Working Copy or Schedule 1 Test Version. This prevents overwriting your original data and helps you easily identify different iterations. Good organization saves time and reduces errors, especially when managing multiple versions of important financial documents. To ensure data safety, always back up your original Schedule 1 files to a secure location, like a cloud service or an external hard drive. Before making any major changes to a duplicated file, quickly open it to confirm it's the correct version and fully functional. This simple check can prevent a lot of headaches down the line. And for those who love to read, check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.